Hey, what's up TCM? Today's gonna be a little different. We are currently at Wolf's Den, and it's a Ninja Warrior gym, but today they're having a speed course. So me and a few other athletes decided to come out and show these Ninja Warrior guys what's up and how parkour does. And so I'm gonna walk you through the course right now and introduce you to my guy Hunter, and let's see how we compare.
So you're doing amateur too?
Yeah, I'm gonna do both. Yes, guys, this is Hunter. Ooh, yeah, this is Hunter. He's the one running the whole thing.
Oh yes.
He's the man of the hour right now.
Designer, manager.
What's your Instagram and what's the gym's Instagram so we can hook you up?
I'm Hotshot Ninja, and the gym is the Wolf's Den Inland Empire.
All right, man, we got it. How are you expecting parkour to do up against Ninja Warrior?
Honestly, if you
being a free runner yourself.
Yeah, if you have a parkour background, you're gonna know exactly how to take less steps and bigger jumps. So I believe that you're gonna have the advantage over ninjas who might not know those secrets with speed.
All right, we'll see how we do, man. I'm excited.
Sweet.
Okay, so how it works is we start on a qualifier course. To get your fastest times, you get 2 attempts on a qualifier. We're gonna base it on points. Basically, if you touch the ground, if you fall in an obstacle, that's a deducted point, and time. So points over time to place you. And because on the finals, we do head-to-head races, it's gonna be on a bracket system. And the way that we place you is based on your times. First is gonna go against last, second is gonna go against second to last, and then we filter through the bracket from there. So that's how that works.
Okay. Why are you doing first against last rather than first against second?
We found, we are basing it off of almost like a basketball bracket system. And then we also just found we've done it in the past through competitions. We've done first against last, and we've done first against second, third against fourth. And we found that it's just a better show. It's more fair, and you get the fastest people in the top when you do the first against last, second go against second to last.
All right, tight. Cool. I'm excited I am last, I think. So that was the qualifiers. I think I got the best time according to that one.
Hi.
She says I have the best time. So, hey Hunter, is it average time or what are the times for? What are the 2 times for?
Where we add the points, the deducted points, and add the times together.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can add both of them.
Gotcha. So the entire thing just gets added together, and then whoever has the lowest.
Yes. So first we do it's points over time. So whoever has the least amount of deducted points and the fastest time.
Gotcha. Cool. Thank you. I mean, I guess I won. I don't know. We'll see. It's just the qualifiers.
How this works is head-to-head competition. You're gonna start right here on the warped wall. There's a line on each side. You're gonna begin by running up this 8-foot wall. You could use any part of the wall you want. You could use the holds, you could use the bottom, obviously the top. Wall run up, and then take the monkey bars up to the cargo net. Diego's gonna demonstrate what that looks like. You climb up the wall just like that, go over the monkey bars, and then down the cargo net. All right, very important. If I have everybody's attention, very important. You could go down the cargo net however you want. Also, the monkey bars on top are in play. The next place you want to get to basically is from up there to right here. This is the next spot. Also, throughout this whole course, you can't touch the red pads. It's not points in this. If you fail, you lose the match. If at any point you fail during the match, you're out. You can finish the course just because you're gonna be going again, but it would be considered the other person loses. So you have to get to this. Wherever you fall, let's say you're the faster of the two. And let's say you get to here and your foot touches right before you grab that. All they have to do is touch that ring without touching the ground, and they've won it because they went further on the course than you did. If you both fall right before you touch that ring, if you both touch the ground, it's whoever touched the ground first. The goal is to get to this hold over here. You have to get to here. You're gonna use the ring to get there. Basically how that's gonna work is you swing, grab this ring, you might grab it like this, and then unhook it, and then swing through. From here, you stay up, don't touch the ground still. And you have to get up to this monkey bar. So whether you swing or you just do like a jump, if you go to one of the bars before that bar, you still have to get to that bar. Once you grab this with at least one hand, then you have to monkey bar back. The finish line is that bar that the cargo net is attached to at the top.
3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go.
Nice.
Nice, nice, big boy.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
You got it? Yeah, let's go. No!
Kick. Can touch the bars. There you go. You got the honor? Yep. Big throw.
Nice. Get it.
Ninja Warrior is so much harder than I thought it would be on my forearms, and my shoulders are already tired. I'm not sure necessarily why. I think I'm out of shape for sure, but dang, props to these guys. This is only the amateur version, so I'm tired.
Second place. Will. Sacrifice to the greater good. And in first place for the amateurs, Michael Matthews. Let's hear it for our incredible athletes.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
You got it? Ooh. 406. You got it?
Let's go, Mike. Come on, Michael. Come on, Mike.
Go, Dylan!
Kick, kick.
You got it?
Come on, Michael. You got it. All right, man. 3, 2, 1, go.
You got it? Go! Pull! Yeah! Get it, Dylan!
Once again, just a great thanks to everybody who stayed with us all day, everybody that even came out, no matter how close or far the travel was for you. We appreciate the support. It means the world to us. Thank you so much.
In third place, Christine. In second place, Taylor. And in first, Olivia. One more time, let's hear it for our phenomenal female athletes. Also, in addition to the medal, first place gets a Ninja passport. That's really cool if you, yeah. Yay! And for the male division, in third place, Darren! In second place, David! And the only competitor all day to work his way all the way through the loser's bracket to first place, Michael Aguara! And the biggest winner, Michael Aguara also wins a Ninja passport. Let's hear it one more time for our male pro athletes.
All right, so I ended up losing all of the amateur and all of the pro. It was a lot of fun though. Shout out to Wolf's Den for hosting this pretty awesome speed competition, Ninja Warrior thing. It was a lot of fun.